Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping the platform. Enable gaming mode in system settings or the device app so optimizations apply immediately. Make sure GPU drivers and firmware are current. This reduces stutter and compatibility issues. Once done, close CPU and disk-heavy background apps and switch the power plan to high performance so the system prioritizes frame delivery. Connect your headset and controller, then launch the game to confirm the mode activated. You'll notice smoother input and lower input lag right away. Next, you refine visuals versus performance so the game runs consistently. Start by choosing the optimal resolution and refresh rate. 1920x1080 at 144 Hz gives a balance for most monitors. Then reduce or disable expensive effects like shadow quality and particle density. Lower those first because they free up the most GPU headroom. Once adjusted, enable adaptive sync or a sensible frame cap to avoid tearing and wild FPS swings. Make small changes, test for 5-10 minutes, and iterate until input feels tight. Finally, lock in your configuration by saving a gaming mode profile so you can reapply it instantly. Test gameplay for stability while monitoring temperatures and CPU/GPU usage with an overlay. Consistent temps and balanced usage mean you tuned correctly. If you hit hitching or crashes, first disable third-party overlays and mods, then roll back to the previous driver if needed. This isolates whether software or drivers caused the problem. If stuttering persists, reduce one graphics setting at a time and retest to find the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.